Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Yesterday we read in the first part of this chapter, the wonder called sleep, we read that what is sleep? Sleep is the state of rest. And today we will read the second part of this chapter, the wonder called sleep. In this part we will read what is dream. Dream क्या होता है? सपना क्या होता है? So dream is an activity of mind. Dream is an activity of mind. Okay students, said when we are asleep. Dream is an activity of mind. When we are asleep, जब हम सो रहे होते हैं, that is the activity of mind. Mind की एक activity होती है. And some doctors have found that dreams may reveal something. कई बार हम dream में कई बार ऐसा कुछ देखते हैं जो हमसे जिसका कोई relation नहीं होता. So dreams में some doctors have found that dreams may reveal something about one's problem, and if it is understood correctly, so they can find a solution, they can find a key to the solution of this problem, but they cannot tell us the future, they cannot tell about the future. Dreams हमें future के बारे में नहीं बता सकते. Okay, I hope you are understanding. And sleep is the most common experience. Okay students, sleep is the most common experience, but how many of us really think about the wonder of sleep, the power of sleep? Many poets have written beautiful poems about the experience of this about the experience of falling asleep. And Edward Thomas has also written a beautiful poem, Lights Out, about the experience of falling asleep. Okay students, I hope you are understanding and you understand first part of this chapter, and you have to read this chapter completely and find out the difficult word of this chapter. Okay students, thank you.